One way, you. Whoa, you're not doing you. You. Babe. Muppet. You. What are you going to do, you idiot? Oh, I ain't moving. Oh. Look. You're a pig. Come on, you. Jesus Christ.
Like when they used to do plenty. Well, look, I see a picture with them on a table. How did that even happen? He broke the light.
He's trying to right.
Yeah, he run the light. He run the light. He's driving and run. Look, what is that?
Is he okay?
Like a woman in the car. A young boy. Oh, you missed it good now?
You know what's the best part about it? I got that shit.
Gotta go. There's no stop here. There's no stop.
Has released a draft list of national standards for long-term care homes. It includes, among other things, guaranteeing minimum staff levels
policy that you're putting in place to protect public health and safety? What kind of effect is it having on the other side? Because no matter what the reasons are, if we remove 15% of the truck driving workforce because of the mandate,
Alright, here's another video. Drive home from work. I'm on the I-15 South, just north of Poway, California, San Diego County. Anyway, doing about 80 miles an hour if you've taken notice, because you have to drive that fast in California. I see in my mirror this guy in a Mustang coming up behind me. I'm like, great, this guy's going to freaking tailgate me. I'm already doing 80. It's not fast enough. Then up ahead I notice as we come around this corner there's a tow truck in the number 2 lane. Didn't think much of it. And then coming up here real quick I see a tire come off. It just came off. And it starts to go all the way to the left. So I'm like, oh, this is going to be an accident. Here's the tire right up in front on the left hand side right by the K-rail. I get over. Past the tire, there it is, and then I get back over into the number 1 lane. So I still see the tow truck driver. He's in number 2 lane. I'm in number 1. I'm going to go into the HOV lane, which is the only reason I'm even in number 1 lane. So this car in right in front of me, not getting over. So I start to get over, and I see the tow truck driver that just lost a friggin' tire get in the HOV lane. So I'm thinking, okay, he's going to get over. There's a little pie-shaped area between the number 1 lane of the normal traffic and then the HOV. I thought, okay, he's going to pull over there because it's the quickest, safest place to stop. Nope. He pulls in. Now he's in this slower of the 2 HOV lanes, if you can call it that. Put my window down. He's throwing friggin' debris. Honk my horn. I said, dude, you need to get off the road, man. You're going to cause a friggin' accident. So I continued on, but there it was, man. It's like every day. Hey!
So I made all the lender team rush one day earlier. Like they had to do a lot of work.